Entry doors. Scottsdale, Arizona is home to a wide array of door services, offering everything from entry doors Scottsdale to custom doors Scottsdale. Whether you're looking for door installation Scottsdale or door replacement Scottsdale, the options are endless. The best entry doors in Scottsdale AZ are available through various door contractors. Scottsdale, Arizona, ensuring quality and durability. For those interested in modern doors Scottsdale, Arizona, there are numerous door design Scottsdale options to choose from. From sleek, contemporary styles to traditional doors Scottsdale AZ, the choices cater to every taste. Scottsdale door showroom locations provide a first-hand look at the latest trends in door design Scottsdale, making it easy to find the perfect fit for your home or business. Energy-efficient doors. Scottsdale AZ are becoming increasingly popular, offering both style and sustainability. These doors not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of your property, but also contribute to energy savings. Scottsdale AZ front door installation services ensure that your new doors are installed with precision and care, maximizing their efficiency and lifespan. For those seeking security door services, Scottsdale, Arizona, there are specialized options available. Security doors. Scottsdale provide peace of mind, protecting your home or business from potential threats. Scottsdale door contractors offer a range of security solutions, from steel front doors, Scottsdale, Arizona, to reinforced fiberglass doors, Scottsdale AZ. Entry doors. Scottsdale are another popular choice, with sliding patio doors, Scottsdale, Arizona, and French door installation, Scottsdale AZ being top picks. These doors seamlessly blend indoor and outdoor spaces, enhancing the overall living experience. Scottsdale patio door specialists can help you select the perfect style and material for your needs. Wooden doors. Scottsdale and fiberglass doors Scottsdale are favored for their classic appeal and durability. Scottsdale wooden door installation services ensure that your doors are crafted and installed to perfection. Fiberglass entry doors. Scottsdale AZ offer a low-maintenance alternative, combining beauty with resilience. Commercial door solutions. Scottsdale AZ cater to businesses looking for reliable and stylish entry options. From commercial doors Scottsdale to door hardware. Scottsdale, businesses can find everything they need to make a lasting impression. Scottsdale AZ door suppliers offer a wide range of products to meet the demands of any commercial space. Entry doors. Scottsdale services are essential for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your doors. Scottsdale AZ door repair experts are skilled in addressing a variety of issues, from minor adjustments to major repairs. Regular maintenance can extend the life of your doors, ensuring they continue to operate smoothly. For those interested in custom entry doors, Scottsdale, Arizona, there are numerous options to explore. Scottsdale custom door design services allow you to create a unique entryway that reflects your personal style. Whether you prefer a modern or traditional look, custom doors. Scottsdale can be tailored to your specifications. Door hardware. Scottsdale is an important consideration for both residential and commercial properties. Scottsdale door hardware suppliers offer a wide selection of handles, locks, and accessories to complement any door style. Quality hardware not only enhances the appearance of your doors, but also improves their security and functionality. Scottsdale door installation companies provide expert services for both new constructions and renovations. With a focus on quality and customer satisfaction, these companies ensure